Okay. Howdy, neighbors. $111 outside. What's that, 97 up here? Yep. Anyway, I decided no cooking today inside, of course. So I threw a sweet potato in the solar oven, and it's been out here for about an hour and a half, so I'm guessing it's done, considering the oven's at over 300 and I can see steam wafting out, moisture. I moved it off the table because of the wind. Oh yeah. It's squishy. Alright. Solar cooking 101. It's pretty dang easy. Holy guacamole, it's hot out here. Oh, there we go. Much nicer. Alright, well, I think what I'll do is, since I'm not ready to eat, let's grab some aluminum foil and wrap it up, and then I'll eat it in a bit. I could easily throw some other stuff in it. As a matter of fact, I'll show you later on. I'm going to leave the oven out there, and then I think I'll bring it in and warm up some fried chicken that I got the other day that's sitting in the fridge. So I'll be back. Okay, there you go. There's my lunch. Yum. Boy, that'll fill me up. Alright, I'll show you what I'm going to do for later on for dinner of some sort. It involves chicken. I'll be back. Alright. I told you I was going to show you something else about the oven. Let's see, what do I got? Okay, yeah. I got a chicken breast and a couple of legs right here. Yeah, that's a breast. And what I'm going to do is just warm it up. So that'll fit. That'll fit. Okay. The other thing I was thinking about, I don't know what you can see, is heating up a can of beans. Let me think. Want them? Well, I got 3 or 4 different kinds, but I think for right now, I'm just going to have Bush's Original Baked Beans. So it's let me think, let me look. 114 out there. Okay, so I literally don't know. I just put it there. Okay, so I'm putting them in here. Now I got another one. There you go. 1 can of Bush's baked beans. Shaky, shaky. Alright. The chicken, as you saw, came out of the fridge. Well, you probably didn't see it, but the beans were hiding underneath. Alright. Now here's the fun part of my solar oven. I'll be right back. Run, birds. Oh, there's no birds. It's so hot out here. They're all hiding right now. Wow. Alright, what do we got here? And it's still 300 degrees. I keep forgetting that this thing is heavy. Well, 30 pounds, 25 pounds. All right. Oh yeah, you can see it. And it's right at 300 degrees, so I'm going to slide the beans into the front end, or the back end. And the chicken there. And there we go. I'm cooking dinner inside. Yeah, what did the temperature drop down to? Hey. 280. Come on, zoom in. Hot. All I needed to do is warm everything up, correct? So, all right, I'll come back in a little while. Let me think. It's 5:23 right now. I think I'll come back at 6. Call it dinner. See you in a few. Well, in a half a second. Don't blink. I'm back. All right. I've been watching a movie and remembered I had something in the oven. It's 6:08. $113 out there, 88 right there. Okay, I have one of these doogemahickeys, you know, where you can shoot and see what the temperature is. Yeah, so the face of that oven is 102. It's showing about 160, but I was going to shoot the food inside and see what it's showing. Okay, now remember, all I'm doing is reheating, or, you know, I'm just heating this up. It was cold chicken. There's 131 degrees. And now I'll go see what the beans are doing. Beans are 130. Now at this point, you know, this 92, 95, whatever. I'm just going to leave it in there. I'm not really ready to eat right this moment, so I'll just leave it in there until I'm ready. And all it'll do is stay warm. Yeah, there you go. And it's sitting in here. I can move it wherever I want to move it. Pretty handy little gadget, don't you think? Alright, so there was another day of solar cooking. And if you notice, most of it involved just putting something in, and then, you know, an hour and a half or whenever I remember it later, I take it out and eat it. Alright. Later.